I'm confident because I know what we did or did not do. But if we investigate everybody, we follow the evidence, and wherever that leads is not something that we try to direct or influence. That's why we have the ICI. They are an independent commission, and that is their job. And their job is to follow the leads that they receive, and if necessary or if it is justified, that they will now recommend to either the Ombudsman or to the DOJ that cases be filed. So let them do their work. We do not interfere with what they do. Wherever it may lead, sinabi ko na nga yan, wala naman tayong tinatago, wala tayong, malakas. I know that there are several, the opposition would love to bring me into this, to include me in all of this. But that's politics. That is not to do about corruption. That is to do about politics. Gusto nila akong tanggalin. Oh, yeah, sige, kaya nila gagawin lahat yung mga gagawin nila. Pero kaya nandyan ang ICI para silang gagawa ng pag-aaral, paghabol ng ebidensya, pag-verify sa mga kwento, sa mga sumbong, sa mga impormasyon na natatanggap nila. And I'm confident that whatever mud might be slung at the administration, that we will be able to show that these are politically motivated and do not actually have any validation in fact.